my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and we're at Seaire about to tour the Boca II floor plan by Dreamfinders Home. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,278 square feet, and this elevation has a front porch, 3-car garage. As you enter the front, here's your home office in the very front of the home. You have a big space over here for a formal dining room, and again, you could make this into whatever type of space you want. And as you come in, you're in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Beautiful quartz center island with breakfast bar seating, nice 42-inch cabinet, and custom backsplash. Off the kitchen, you have a space here for like a little dinette table. You have a spacious family room. Let's check out one of my favorite rooms of the house, the game room. Check this out. It has 3 windows for natural light. You can make this room into whatever you want. A game room, a home gym, a mother-in-law suite. There's plenty of space for all those options. And right around the corner, you have a full bathroom. Quartz countertop, tub shower combo. Right, and we're gonna walk straight across to the owner suite. Nice tray ceiling, windows again for natural light. And this is a grand space for an owner suite. Good size furniture here and plenty of space to walk around. And check out this ensuite bathroom and this huge shower. There's seats and shower heads on both sides. Dual sinks, quartz countertop, and it's even got a seat here for doing your makeup. And check out this walk-in closet. It's like a whole nother room in here. And the private home office. Now we're gonna check out the secondary bedrooms on the main floor. So this is a great split plan. The other 2 bedrooms and full bathroom are on this wing of the house. And this is the second bedroom, a good sized room. And the room has natural light with a window. And then as you come out, you have a full bathroom here, quartz vanity, tub shower combo. Now we're heading into the 3rd bedroom, another good sized kids room, the little walk-in closet here, actually goes around. Again, another window bringing in natural light. So this is coming in off your garage. Build a nice mud room here, seating, space for your shoes. And check out this laundry room. You could have cabinets, laundry sink. Obviously, you got space here for a washer and dryer. And let's go check out that upstairs. You can make this into whatever you want. Kids bedroom, movie theater. They got a drum set up here, a desk. There is a closet up here and its own private bathroom up here. It's got beautiful quartz countertop, tub shower combo. All the kids will be fighting for this room. Let's take one lap around this beautiful center island, this pantry. You got all this space here between your center island and your cooktop. And I love how the oven is off the kitchen. This is a grand space for a formal dining room, or you can make this room into whatever you'd like. For more information on the Boca II floor plan or Seaire, give me a call, 813-587-2424. Please remember, I could help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. Please like and subscribe for future community and new home tours. See you in the next video.